Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're setting off on another thrilling adventure to one of the world's most enchanting destinations, Florence, Italy. Ever wondered what makes Florence a hidden gem waiting to be discovered? Whether you're drawn by the majestic Duomo, the timeless beauty of Michelangelo's David, or the simple pleasure of discovering hidden treasures, Florence promises an adventure like no other. So hit that like button, subscribe, and join me on this epic journey as we explore the magic and mystery of Florence. Let's dive in. Florence's history dates back to Roman times when it was established as a settlement for veteran soldiers in 59 BC. Its golden era began in the late Middle Ages and Renaissance period under the rule of the Medici family from the 15th to the 18th century. The Medicis, influential patrons of the arts and humanism, transformed Florence into a cradle of Renaissance art, nurturing talents like Leonardo da Vinci, Michelangelo, and Dante Alighieri. The architectural landscape of Florence reflects its historical evolution, embodying layers of history that span centuries. The city's layout, with its narrow, winding streets and impressive piazzas, offers a glimpse into its medieval past, where every corner holds a story. Renaissance buildings such as the Palazzo Vecchio and the Pitti Palace stand as testaments to its cultural peak, showcasing the grandeur and artistic achievements of the era. Additionally, numerous churches, bridges, and public squares contribute to Florence's unique charm, making it a living museum of architectural marvels. One of the most iconic landmarks in Florence, the Duomo, dominates the city's skyline with its magnificent dome designed by Filippo Brunelleschi. The cathedral's facade is adorned with intricate Gothic details, while its interior boasts stunning frescoes, including Giorgio Vasari's Last Judgment. Home to one of the most important collections of Renaissance art, the Uffizi Gallery is a treasure trove of masterpieces by renowned artists such as Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Raphael. Visitors can marvel at iconic works like Botticelli's The Birth of Venus and Leonardo da Vinci's Annunciation, each piece offering a glimpse into the genius of these artists. The gallery's extensive collection spans multiple rooms and periods, providing a comprehensive journey through the evolution of Renaissance art. It is an essential destination for art enthusiasts, history lovers, and anyone seeking to understand the cultural heritage of Florence. The Ponte Vecchio, a medieval stone bridge, is famous for its unique shops built along its sides. Historically occupied by butchers, these shops now house jewelers, art dealers, and souvenir shops, adding a vibrant commercial aspect to this ancient structure. The Ponte Vecchio offers picturesque views of the Arno River and is a symbol of Florence's enduring charm. Walking across the bridge, visitors can enjoy the lively atmosphere and discover a variety of unique items, from handcrafted jewelry to traditional Florentine craft. The bridge's timeless appeal and historical significance make it a must-see landmark for anyone visiting Florence. Once the residence of the Medici family, the Palazzo Pitti is now a complex of museums, showcasing art, fashion, and historical artifacts. Behind the palace, the Boboli Gardens provide a lush retreat with classical statues, fountains, and an expansive layout typical of Renaissance gardens. The Accademia is renowned for housing Michelangelo's David, a masterpiece of Renaissance sculpture that captivates visitors with its remarkable detail and powerful expression. The museum also features other works by Michelangelo, including unfinished sculptures that provide insight into his creative process. Additionally, the Accademia boasts a collection of Florentine Gothic paintings, showcasing the rich artistic heritage of the region. Beyond Michelangelo's works, visitors can explore an array of art pieces that highlight the evolution of Florentine art, making the Accademia a vital destination for those looking to immerse themselves in the grandeur of Renaissance and Gothic artistry. Florence's influence on art, literature, and science during the Renaissance cannot be overstated. The city was a hub for scholars, artists, and thinkers who revolutionized European culture. Florence's dedication to preserving this heritage is evident in its numerous museums, galleries, and historical sites. The city's festivals and traditions also reflect its rich cultural tapestry. Events such as the Scoppio del Carro during Easter and the Calcio Storico, a historic football match played in June, are deeply rooted in Florentine history and draw both locals and tourists alike. Florence is also a city of craftsmanship. The Oltrarno district is famous for its artisan workshops, where traditional crafts such as leatherworking, bookbinding, and goldsmithing are practiced, preserving techniques passed down through generations. Florentine cuisine is characterized by simple, high-quality ingredients reflecting the region's agricultural bounty. Some must-try dishes include bistecca alla fiorentina, a thick, juicy T-bone steak, ribollita, a hearty soup made with bread, beans, and vegetables, lampredotto, a popular street food, and cantucci with vin santo, almond biscuits dipped in sweet dessert wine. Visitors to Florence should be aware of local laws and regulations to ensure a smooth and respectful visit. Florence's historical and cultural sites are protected by strict regulations. Defacing, damaging, or vandalizing monuments, artworks, or buildings are a serious offense. When visiting churches and religious sites such as the Duomo, proper attire is required. Eating and drinking near churches, historical monuments, and certain public spaces are restricted. Florence has strict noise regulations to maintain the quality of life for its residents, and littering is strictly prohibited. Florence has an efficient public transport system, including buses and trams. Please buy your tickets ahead of time and validate them when you board. Vehicles are restricted in the historic center to reduce congestion and pollution. Did you know that Florence was the first city in Europe to have paved streets? Or that the first opera was performed here in the late 16th century? Florentine Bernardo Buontalenti is credited with inventing gelato. The Laurentian Library, designed by Michelangelo, was one of the first public libraries in Europe. Dante Alighieri, a native of Florence, wrote his epic poem The Divine Comedy here. Tucked away in the Church of Santa Maria del Carmine, the Brancati Chapel features frescoes by Masaccio and Masolino. The San Miniato al Monte offers breathtaking views of the city. The Museo degli Innocenti, housed in a former orphanage, provides insight into Florence's social history. A lesser-known museum, the Stibbert Museum, houses an eclectic collection of arms, armor, costumes, and artworks, providing visitors with a fascinating glimpse into the past. The museum's extensive collection reflects the passion and dedication of its founder, Frederick Stibbert. Nearby, the Bardini Garden offers beautifully landscaped terraces, sculptures, and panoramic views of Florence, perfect for a peaceful retreat from the busy city center. This serene oasis is ideal for a relaxing stroll, allowing visitors to relax and absorb the natural beauty while appreciating the meticulously maintained Renaissance-style gardens and elegant fountains. As we conclude our journey through the cobblestone streets and vibrant piazzas of Florence, it's clear that this city is more than just a collection of historical sites and artistic wonders. Florence is a living museum, a testament to human creativity and resilience. From savoring a hearty bistecca alla fiorentina to discovering hidden gems like the Bardini Garden, every moment spent here is an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or simply a lover of beautiful places, Florence offers something that touches the soul. By respecting the city's rich cultural heritage and abiding by its local customs and laws, you help preserve its magic for future generations. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great videos. Have a wonderful day. To never miss a video, hit the notification bell. See you on your next visit. Arrivederci.